Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So some of you guys may or may not know, I actually started a new series on my channel where I said, well, I basically, started a KuCoin account, like another crypto portfolio, and essentially how I'm growing it is I'm buying $1,000 of small market cap crypto, and I'm buying $1,000, waiting till they do 100%, selling 50%, and then throwing it into a completely new one. So the first time I did that was with LSS. It did like a 5x. And I'm still holding it because I actually believe in the use case of that. The second one that I got into was Haka. Haka is actually still really good, but I got out to go back into LSS just because I wanted to have a little bit more LSS. So I'm pretty sure Haka still has a good chance of running up. Um, and sorry, well, the second one was Block, which is probably breaking all time highs right now. The third one was Haka, which I got out to buy some more lossless because I actually like lossless a lot. And then Block actually just completed 100% gain for me. So I actually sold 50%. I'm holding still, like whatever coins I have a Block for like ever. And I actually ended up buying Boson Protocol. And the main reason I bought this is because on the weekly, it's a very simple trade, right? Weekly breaks downtrend, runs up, and it creates a bull trigger on the reverse MACD. That's it, right? It's breaking this downtrend pattern. It's consistent on pattern, and it's on the weekly. It broke it, and I got in somewhere around, I don't remember, somewhere around here. I got into Boson Protocol. Um, but as of right now, what's happening with Boson is, short term, my actual price target for Boson is. Let me see if I can. Sorry, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. My current price target is $3.32, which would possibly put this back at previous resistance, right? Actually, so major resistance will probably be at $2.45. So I think this would be. I should probably add that in there, huh? So we actually have different major resistances, right? We have one major resistance here, second one is here, and the third one is more than likely going to be like, I don't know, like probably here, like 420, somewhere there. Let me change the color so it's easier for you guys to see. Red, boom, red, 1 pixel, whoops, and 1 pixel. There you go. So as of right now, my first TP is actually 332, right? But you still have major resistances right here. Um, and the really good part of this is I got into Boson Protocol because it met all my criteria for a small crypto breakout, right? But keep in mind, right now it created solid bottoms, right? It created bottoms on the bottom side of the trend, so it created a stochastic bottom, and it created it while hitting the upside of this bullish channel, right? This trend basically, which is fantastic. Also, the reverse MACD is looking to close bullish in the next 15 minutes, which it 100% will, and I can guarantee you that this retracement right here from this low to this high, this retracement right here is like a zero point 0.5, 0.618 fib. I guarantee you that's what it's gonna be right now. Watch. Down here. Bam. zero point 0.5 retracement on the fib. I'm telling you, man, they're pretty easy to spot after you've been doing this for a while. And it actually just broke relative highs of $2.13. So first TP right now is actually going to be um, $3.32. I'm really only looking at the weekly chart for this. I'm not really looking at any other charts. And again, there is resistance at 240. There is resistance at 420. But I think my price target right now is 330-ish because I think that's where I'll make. I think almost 100%. I think it's about 70%. So at around this level. So I think I might wait till it breaks out. Maybe it goes to like 370-ish and then sell the 50%. So pick up another grand and put it into somewhere else. But yeah, I think Boson Protocol. Like I have no idea what they do. I'm strictly trading this based off of TA, and I'm just trying to grow the KuCoin account by trying to have every small cap crypto, do 100% return, and then I just sell half and put it into something else. That way, I have at least $1,000 and hopefully in like a bunch of small different crypto. And if something blows up, then fantastic, right? But as of right now, that's kind of my strategy. And statistically, because we are in a bull market, everything is kind of biased bull right now, right? So everything is technically right now in a bullish, longer term, it's in a bullish market, especially Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin is in a bullish market, statistically, your chances of hitting 100% on small cap crypto are actually pretty high, and they're pretty decent, especially when they're trending on trading views, filtered out section of KuCoin, right? Because it's the most popular tickers that have TA or that are having their TA done. So common sense tells me that if a bunch of these tickers or a bunch of these cryptos are having, are the most popular at getting TA done, a lot of these are going to look the same, and a lot of these are going to have, the same results. So they're all like, it's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy where if, the top, the top crypto is being traded, and you have, all the people doing TA on it, more than likely you're gonna have, hey, this thing's going to here, this thing's going to here, and it's gonna be a self-fulfilling prophecy. So that's kind of my take on KuCoin. That's why I use Trading Views source and not anything else. I don't like using anything else as source. Trading View source is absolutely perfect because you have a bias towards TA because it's popular because people that are doing TA on it. So yeah, Boson Protocol. This is the next small cap crypto that I'm doing. I'm expecting it to hit $3.30. Not really sure when. I don't really care when, but I hope that it does. That way I can cash out 50% and throw another grand into like something else. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.